Hello guys, I'll give you some guide on how to take good care of your car. Regular maintenance and proper care can significantly extend the life of your vehicle. But before we go that, please subscribe me first. Number 1. Regularly inspect your car for any visible issues such as leaked tire wear or unusual sounds. Check the fluid levels, including oil coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Number 2. Maintain proper tire pressure and check it regularly. Inspect for any puncture or damages. Number 3. Regularly check brake pads, rotor, and brake fluid levels. Any unusual noises or decreased responsiveness should prompt an immediate inspection by professional. Number 4. Regularly wax and wash your car to protect its paint and body for dirt and debris and environmental damage. Clean the interior to maintain a pleasant driving environment. Number 5. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This includes tune-ups, filter changes, and other necessary services. Number 6. Drive responsibly and avoid harsh acceleration or abrupt braking. Such driving habit can put unnecessary strain on your vehicle. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be complicated. Regular inspections, timely maintenance, and responsible driving habits can go on a long way in your vehicle in a top shape for years to come. That's all for now. Wait for my next car tips.